Hey guys, Mark here from Hammer 4x4, and guess what I have here today? That's right, it is the BYD Shark 6. Now, if you do see it on the road, you will notice its headlights and daytime running is working. It is very noticeable in that rear view mirror. If you're in the market for this ute or any ute, this one's priced around that 60,000. It is an electric vehicle, does also have a 1.5 litre petrol engine, which is turbo as well. Now that engine is designed to just fuel the batteries. Now the batteries by themselves will do about 100k mark. With the actual engine running as well, you're looking at about 800Ks. For me, there hasn't been that much hype around a Chinese car yet, and this one's definitely taken that lead. You're looking at the Rangers and the Hilux is leading, and then the BYD is a third in sales. This vehicle just got dropped off. It was previously at Bullseye, where it had a custom bracket for the bonnet and also custom brackets for the roof for that light bar and these pod lights. They are standing still at the moment. It will be going back because it is the first test fit one they've done. It will be going back and getting it actually black, so those brackets will be black. The lights are not wired up. That's our job. We will be wiring up those lights as well. So on the front end, we are changing this bumper to a King Series bull bar. We will have a light bar on there as well. All the sensors and radars get relocated to the bar. The bar is already ADR approved, crash tested and airbag compliant. All sensors and radars get relocated and there's no issues at all on that end. These side steps, very plastic. We are going to take them off. We are doing the Hammer Shadow Series side steps. And on top of that, these standard wheels and tires, we are removing it. We need something more stylish. They're going to change as well. This is how the car looks now, stock, and this is how it's going to look when we're done with it. Stay tuned watching. We're going to show you the whole progress and what we do to this vehicle. So we're going to head back to our warehouse in fitting base here in Dandenong. We're going to get started on this car straight away. So the guys are slowly removing the original bumper on the BYD Shark. Then we are going to put the King Series bull bar on this car, which is also going to completely change the whole look of this whole vehicle. So all the sensors do get relocated into this bull bar. We do have the sonar modules as well. You'll notice on the BYD, under the actual badge, there is that little square. That's originally where the sonar is. Now we actually relocate it into the bar on the front here. All bolted nicely and all plugs in. The BYD Shark 6 is finally completed. Let's go through everything we've done with the King Series bull bar and those shadow side steps. What a transformation for this BYD Shark 6. Looks more aggressive, a lot more styling, a lot more options you can do for this vehicle. Now, this is the King Series bull bar. We are actually going to have a King Series Plus. The Plus version does have those hoops on the top there. Now, for this one, does come standard with the daytime running indicator and the fog light there. Now, we also have provisions on the side of the passenger, the front here, and on the drivers for those radars. Now, for those radars, we do that so we have all this free space here for any light bars or spotlights and doesn't interfere with any of the functions of the car. All those sensors get relocated as well. You'll notice we do have 3.5 ton rated recovery points in red and also the underbody protection. Now I am going to put this on a hoist so you can see the underbody fully and what we've done on that one. Now that I do have the BYD Shark 6 on the hoist, you can see our lovely recovery points on both sides here. And you can see our first Hammer bash plate. This is the beginning of our underbody protection and it does have that nice logo cut out right here. Now from that part, we do extend further back And then if you have a look here, we are going to develop another piece over here to complete that whole underbody protection. So the lights on this car, the light bar on the front of the bar, on that roof, and these pod lights, they're all wired by us. Took a lot of time to do it. We had to wire it behind the passenger side, the rear, because that's where the spare battery is. Took a lot of time, but it does look good. We have all those daytime runnings on there. These pod lights have that multiple functions, so it can move around or have a steady light completely. Just look at the transformation on the side angle of this car. We've taken those original wheels and tires off. We've put the Hustler wheels on there, on the Monster tires. And what I love the most is these side steps. We've taken those original plastic ones off. We've gone with the Shadow side steps. Now these are actually chassis mounted, so you can bounce on them. They are very, very strong. And on top of it, it just looks amazing. Just love these side steps. That's it for this build. What's coming up next, we are going to do a King Series Plus bull bar. Stay tuned for that video. And on top of that, we are going to do a Nova Series rear bar, just so we can actually complete that whole rear tub.